U.S. School Chemistry Fundamentals Quiz 14. Question 1. Which element is the most abundant in the universe? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon. C. Hydrogen. D. Helium. Answer: C. Hydrogen. Question 2. What is the study of reaction rates called? A. Thermodynamics. B. Kinetics. C. Stoichiometry. D. Electrochemistry. Answer: B. Kinetics. Question 3. Which metal is used in aircraft construction? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Lead. D. Aluminum. Answer: D. Aluminum. Question 4. What is the chemical formula for acetic acid? A. HCOOH. B. CH3COOH. C. C2H5COOH. D. C6H8O7. Answer: B. CH3COOH. Question 5. Which element is used in nuclear reactors? A. Uranium. B. Thorium. C. Plutonium. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Question 6. What is the chemical name for vinegar? A. Acetic acid. B. Citric acid. C. Formic acid. D. Lactic acid. Answer: A. Acetic acid. Question 7. Which gas is used in refrigeration? A. Ammonia. B. Chlorine. C. Oxygen. D. Hydrogen. Answer: A. Ammonia. Question 8. What is the chemical formula for rust? A. FeO. B. Fe2O3. C. Fe3O4. D. FeOH2. Answer: B. Fe2O3. Question 9. Which element has the highest atomic number? A. Oganesson. B. Uranium. C. Plutonium. D. Einsteinium. Answer: A. Oganesson. Question 10. What is the process of removing salts from seawater called? A. Filtration. B. Distillation. C. Desalination. D. Purification. Answer: C. Desalination. If you got this 10 right too, you're a chemistry genius. Don't forget to subscribe and comment for more challenges.